Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk briefly about how you can best apply oil onto your Panasonic shaver for lubrication purposes. So I've got here the LV67 model. Your Panasonic shaver should come with its own dedicated little bottle of oil. Hopefully you can see that in the camera there, and this is exactly what we're going to use to pop on the blades of our shaver. So first things first, let's remove the protective plastic cover. Then we're going to open up our little bottle of oil, and all we're going to do is simply add 1 drop per foil on the top here, not forgetting of course the trimmer on the back. We'll get to that in a second. So right in the middle, I'm going to gently try and just drop 1 drop of oil onto each foil. Once we've done that, we're going to turn it on for just a few seconds. So press the power button. What that will do is hopefully move the oil about, give a nice even coating across the blades. There we go. We're going to have a little look, see if there's any excess oil that might have just dripped off the sides there. That looks good to me. Happy with that. We're going to flip it over and we're going to push up the trimmer blade, and we're going to apply 1 drop of oil to the trimmer. Again, we're going to aim for the middle, turn the shaver on again, hopefully make sure that vibrates all around. Have a little look to see where the oil's got to. That looks good. Mop up any stray bits of oil. You can see there actually there's a little bit of oil that's just escaped to the back of the trimmer. We're going to wipe that up, make sure it's nice and dry everywhere but the blade, and once we're happy we're going to return that blade down, and there we're good to go. So that is how you can apply oil to your shaver. Now in terms of acquiring the correct oil, if you don't have this little bottle that came with the shaver, first of all, these are available from our official Panasonic accessory stores. You can go on our support site, follow the links to the accessory store, put in the model number of your shaver, and you should be able to find oil there available for purchase. You can also find shaver lubricating oil. It's available widely online as well. So I hope you found that useful. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.